Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Kia Forte with a 2.0 motor, and we're going to go over how you would change the oil and show you the process of the oil change. So this is where the oil will go in, and so I just like to loosen the cap a little bit, and then this is your dipstick to check the oil. It's all we can do up here at the moment. So the car has been raised up, it's on jack stands and supported with jack stands for safety. Now we'll go under and remove the bolt for the drain pan, and also the oil filter, replace that and put a new one on. So back here we have the oil drain plug. This is the oil pan, and we have the drain plug. This is a size 17mm bolt to be loosened, and so we'll loosen that. There is a plastic shield that goes under this. It has been removed. You don't have to. For the process, they do give you access to drain the oil and to remove the oil filter without taking this piece off. It's just been removed, so it's not here. But you can do it either way. But anyway, so you're going to loosen this bolt, turn it counterclockwise, loosen it, and then back it off. You also want to make sure that what you're using to catch the oil can catch the amount of oil that you need to. This has got 4 quarts of oil in it, so you'll need something that catches 4 quarts unless you want to stop it in the middle. And while the oil is flowing out, we're going to check our little crush washer here. Clean up this and pop it off, and we'll put a new one on. This is a copper crush washer. You should put a new one on between oil changes. Every oil change. Gives you a nice fresh seal here, so you have no leaks from your oil filter or oil drain plug. Alright, so we've got a new washer on here, a crush washer, to give us a good fresh seal. Tighten this up. Just good and snug, not crazy. This is a very thin metal with just those threads in it. We're going to move our oil filter, or our drain pan under our oil filter. Okay, it's right here. I'm going to stab it. That way the oil can drain out, and so when you undo this oil filter itself, it doesn't come down the whole side of the filter. So you just use filter pliers, and there's all various types that you like to use, or that you can use. So with the oil filter removed, we can clean up the housing here. So that when we put the new gasket, it will seal. So the new filter with its new gasket. So we have our new oil filter here. And I've just put a bead of fresh oil on it. And now you just spin it on. Hand tight, no tools. Once it seats up here, hits the metal, it's a 3/4 turn. So that's been replaced. Now we just put the oil in the vehicle and check it, start it, make sure we have no leaks. So we're going to add oil. It takes 4 quarts. We're going to add the 4 quarts, and we're going to double check it. And if we need more, we'll put more, but we shouldn't, because it calls for 4.2 quarts, so just 4 quarts pretty much. We're going to put the weight of 5W20, add our 4 quarts, check it with the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it clean, put it back in, and check it again. And we'll go to there. You can put whichever oil, you know, your brand preference. Just make sure it's a 520. And if the engine requires synthetic, put synthetic instead of conventional. So that's how you change your oil on your 2019 Kia Forte with a 2.0 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.